Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your default browser on iOS 26. To change the default browser, first you need to have any other than the Safari. I have Chrome, you can see. And now what you should do is go to the settings. Then in the settings, scroll all the way down to apps and you'll see default apps. Then you can find browser app and set it to whatever option you have available. Of course, you can download browser apps from the App Store. I'm gonna set it to Chrome, and now whenever you open a link or it just or whenever you just get a transferred to an app from a different one, then you'll get transferred to this default browser app, and that's basically it. I'm gonna go back to the Safari because it's actually my favorite browser, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.